I had no idea a vent deflector could be this good. This one has 5 magnets, not 2, not 4, 5. It's the only one like it, and you can literally hear the snap when it locks on. These magnets are no joke, and when I first held it, I immediately got why it costs a little bit more than the others. The plastic feels thick and premium. It's not flimsy or cheap, and it blends right in with my space. It slides open and closed to fit all kinds of vent sizes, which I love because I didn't have to guess if it would fit mine. It just did. I tested it on the floor, the wall, the ceiling vents, and it installed perfectly on all 3. I even did a vacuum test on the floor vent, and this thing did not move. That's how secure it is. And it really won't fall off or slide around no matter how many times we walk past it or bump it. Your vents aren't magnetic. It also comes with adhesive tabs too, so it still works anywhere. And it's a game changer. You need to grab yours on Amazon and you'll never go back to the cheap ones again.